deemed to be sufficient to warrant going ahead with a small plant. So our decision rule changes at this point, and then it stays the same with that down to about 484.82. And then at this point, we become even bolder here with our larger risk tolerances here. We tolerate more downside risk. So at this point, we say go ahead with a large plant on either a strong market test or a moderate market test. Either one of those is sufficient to justify the large plant now. But still, we don't build anything if it comes out with a weak market test. And that stays the same for a very long time. And then finally, we see that the value of information is decreasing now with risk tolerance, and it finally drops below 35. Way out here at 18,727.35, the value of information drops to 35. And so at that point, it's going to go negative on us. The net gain, that is going to go negative, and therefore the test market decision is replaced with no test at this point. But now the risk tolerance is large enough so that we're making the large plant decision instead of the no plant decision. So at the beginning of the process, we have no test. And at the end of the process, we have no test. But in between, we find that there's a very substantial range of risk tolerance values, going all the way from 72.45, less than 100, all the way up to 18,720, plus a little bit more, where the decision